Hi everyone, Patchman21 back with another god-awful unboxing, and believe it or not, it's Wootbox again. April's.
Bullseye.
Okay, let's see what they've got to offer. Now, because this is over a month late, I actually got this April box after my May box. I checked the few videos to see what was what, and I know a few of the things that are in here. I have desperately tried to avoid looking at the contents of it, but I do know what's in here. So I'm going to do a thumb. There you go. Nice thumbnail. But I have got a, move over to the right. I've got a clue. Okay, so Wootbox, exactly the same as yesterday. There'll be a price, there'll be a shipping price, there will be bank charges, and that will give me my minus figure. I'll then work down through these items, and you should see that minus figure hopefully become a plus figure. So what I'm going to do is just start with, hopefully there'll be a t-shirt in here somewhere. That's blue. I quite like blue. I fucking love South Park, so open this kiddie up and see what she looks like. Already really like the look of it. Yeah, South Park. Yay, South Park. Yay, South Park. You look awesome. Cool, that's the South Park gang. Simple, nice. The t-shirts are actually very good quality from Wootbox, so yeah, I'm pleased with that. I don't normally go with colourful, but South Park. What could possibly go wrong? I love South Park. Okay, there is the there's their it's crew. That's the call out. It's their booklet. Now, one of the interesting things about this, no one I know, I think they're all French and German, all the videos I've seen around that, is they do a pricing thing on it. So, straight away they say this shirt's worth €20. It's a t-shirt at the end of the day, it's not the holy grail. There's a few other bits in here, their pricing is redonkulous. But, that being said, let's see what else we have in here. And this is, oh, just a number on there. It's Kenny-like because it's orange. That's a pillowcase. It's not, this is Sheldon. Cool. Crew, I suppose he's one of the crew from The Big Bang Theory, but yeah, so we've got a pillowcase. Yeah, I like it actually. If I put a pillow in this and stick it on the seat that I always sit on, it'll tell people what I'm about. Okay, there's some sort of figure here. Collection Les Toots. Monky de Luff. It's Star Hero? No idea what this is. Shall we have a look? Shall we have a little look-see? See what they've sent me. So far, a t-shirt and a pillowcase. Cushion case. I think there was something in that. It's a bloke wearing Santa's shorts. Santa Claus's shorts on, little stand. Oh, I'm going to build it, aren't I? What a douche. Sorry guys. I'm just so excited by this. I can't wait to see it in all its glory, all built and just impressing the living shit out of me. Why is everything so much work? It's Friday. God damn, it's time for a drink. Oh, one thing, you guys haven't been giving me suggestions for this for ages. Come on. You know you want to. Are you bored yet? I'm bored senseless already. Well, isn't that just delicious? I have no idea what this reference is. Doesn't look like my cup of tea, but that's not to say it isn't an absolutely spiffing thing. Little black bag and a pin. There's a pin here. What crew he's in. And the pin is, it's a leaf. Again, I'm not allowed to guess. People hate it when I guess. So there's the pin. Is that focusing? There you go, look at that. Pin. A little black bag. I wonder what's in the little black bag. A bangle. A bangle. Right, let's find out what this shit is. I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued now. So, nonsense, bullshit, nonsense. Okay, figurine official, official. God damn, this is in French. Why have they sent me the bloody French version? One Piece, whatever that is. This is bracelet Viking exclusive Wootbox. Ce bracelet forge. I can't speak French, so I can't even pick up what the fuck it's about. So, nice one, Wootbox. Thanks. I got a fucking C in French at school. You don't want to see what I got in German. So I can't even tell where they're from. Any pickups on that little leaf thing? No, right, it's all there to you guys. What the fuck is this from? Where the hell is this from? Why have I got that? These two I know. Okay. That was a terrible, terrible unboxing. That's why I say these boxes are absolutely brutally wrong. Apologies. Please share this so people know just how bad I am. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to me by clicking this button up here. If you'd like to see more of my videos, click this link up here. And if you'd like to like Patchman 21. Thanks for watching. Bye now.